Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make everything bigger in Windows 11. This is incredibly useful if you're finding text, apps, and icons too small to read comfortably on your screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait until Windows 11 completely loads up. Make sure you're at your desktop with everything fully booted before moving forward. This ensures all system settings are available and ready to adjust. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows Start menu icon there. Click on it to open the Start menu. When the Start menu appears, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Settings and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings application where you can customize various aspects of your system. After the Settings window opens, look for the Ease of Access option and click on it. This section is specifically designed to make Windows more accessible and easier to use, especially for users who need larger text or interface elements. It contains various tools to adjust display settings, audio, and other accessibility features that can significantly improve your computing experience. Within the Ease of Access menu, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left-hand side of the window. Navigate through these options and click on Display. This is where all your screen and visual customization settings live, including the ability to adjust the size of text, apps, and other items across your entire system. Now, once you're in the Display section, you'll prominently see an option labeled Make Everything Bigger. This is the exact feature you need to adjust the overall scale of everything on your screen. Click on the drop-down menu next to this option, and you'll see several size increment choices appear. The available options are typically 125%, 150%, and 175%, each representing how much larger you want everything to appear compared to the default 100% setting. Simply select the size that works best for your viewing comfort and needs. After you make your selection, Windows will apply the changes. You might need to sign out and sign back in for the new scaling to take full effect across all applications, so be prepared for that brief interruption. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the display scaling in Windows 11, making everything on your screen easier to see and interact with. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.